Here today with top JPL player and making his debut for the national team today, Anthony Bygrave. How does it feel to be a national player?
It's a great feeling to have on the national colour, and it's a great feeling to play against the top international players like Liam Bailey. Yeah, it's a great feeling for me.
Alright, so we saw you come on today, and in my opinion you made an immediate impact, holding up the ball, getting the ball back in the midfield so that Javian Brown could get the dart down the middle. How does it feel like having the role to hold up the ball for the team?
It does an I just go out there and follow the coach instruction. Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
You feel like you did enough to kind of leave an impression on the coach going forward of Nations League coming up on Gold Cup?
No.
Sorry, just talk with the playman.
No, I don't feel pressure. It does up to the coach now.
What has it been like as a young player for you being in that dressing room and having that experience?
It's an excellent feeling for me. Great feelings for me.
Alright, thank you very much.
Alright, my last question. I want to talk to you about you playing domestically. You've been having a world-class season thus far. How does it feel being one of the top players in your local league? And what steps do you want to take going forward?
It's a great feeling. I just follow the coach instruction. I'm looking forward to get a contract overseas. Yeah.
Alright, so continue scoring more goals in JPL. Come Jamaica, score some goals and you'll be overseas very, very soon.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man.